Alrighty, welcome back, and we're in a 76 SS Torana. Now this thing is cranky, dude.
Oh yeah, this is one cranky little car, that's for sure.
Wouldn't tell that, you know, it's a stout thing, but man, it boogies.
Yeah, the owner's, one of his biggest parts of his briefs that the car must remain looking as stock as we can absolutely keep it. He really wants a stock looking car, so we've done virtually nothing to the outside that you can see at all, sort of thing, but all the work's pretty much been done under the bonnet and underneath the car.
The second you went like that.
Yeah, the little 304 based Holden motor that's been stroked out to 355. She's running about 550 horsepower.
This thing's
so
an
it's
animal,
really cranky.
dude.
Yeah. Well, it came in to have the rest of the car set up so it could handle an engine like this is one of the big things. So we've put our IFS kit in it, the Superformance independent front suspension with power steering and all the good gear there for it.
It honestly, it drives like a brand new car. Now it's got the power and it's also got great steering. Like it's
so fun
awesome
to get out. With the extra power, we put a strengthening K-frame kit in to help keep it nice and rigid and keep the flex down and all that sort of thing. And one of our 9-inch diffs with a true track center and a couple of adjustable trailing arms really finish it off down there. As with all the Toranas we've done previously, the drivers get in them and they just can't believe
I'll be honest, every Torana that I've driven that's had the Superformance IFS put into it, it's a completely different animal.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like it's actually a nice car to drive.
Yeah. And to add to the fun, obviously we put the brand new Tremec TK 5-speed in it. So it was originally a Trimatic in this one, and so we've converted it over to manual from auto and done all the works there to get a clutch in and master cylinder and all those sort of things as well.
This car is now one hell of a driver's car.
Yeah, it's made for driving. Absolutely made for driving. 304 base, so the new like VN style black Holden motor based engine, stroked out to 355. So with a big single plane intake manifold on it, we actually had to cut the hole in the bonnet. Like the scoop was there originally, but it didn't have any hole in the bonnet. So I've had to cut a hole in the bonnet to be able to fit the air cleaner on nowadays and that sort of thing. But yeah, putting out about 550 horsepower at the flywheel, it's certainly plenty for a little car like this.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And the outside looks good with the silver, the two-tone black. It's got, are they jelly bean wheels on it as well?
Yeah, the old school jelly bean.
And even the interior has actually been kept super tidy as well.
Yeah, it's very tidy and original in here. The only little things that have changed is like we put in some aftermarket odometer gauges just to make sure he's protecting his engine and that sort of thing, you know.
But apart from that, you know, we got a little Pioneer sound system and that's it.
Yeah.
The dash, the steering wheel, the seats, the carpets, it all looks fantastic. And I love the way this shifter looks now.
Yeah, we put a nice twin 3-inch exhaust on it. X-pipe in there. It's got some nice little dropouts just behind the rear wheels. So it's a bit hard to get the 3-inch out the back next to the drop tank on it.
It sounds great.
There was a lot of work to do to make everything fit in there together, but the finished package has come up so good. Little old tired 308 in it, red motor with the Traumatic behind it, and yeah, there was nothing really exciting about it at all, you know. It was a nice clean SS, but now it's a really fun SS.
It's a very fun SS.
Yeah.
That's third. it's an animal. guys, thanks for watching. Make sure if you give us a call if you need any work done on your car or if you need any parts. We'll see you next time.